today's menu, a delicious pasta recipe that will lift your spirits. Vegan penne alla vodka.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now this recipe is actually one of the recipes in my free ebook that you can download in the link above, or I'll link in the description box below. Of course, there's different ways of making this particular recipe, but this is a quick, easy, and amazing way of making it.
Boil a pot of water for the pasta. 2 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. 1 shallot, finely chopped. Season your water and cook the pasta to package instructions. 5 cremini mushrooms, finely sliced. Blender.
Now I technically only need about a 1/4 cup of cashew cream. But in order for the blades to blend properly, you need to make double the amount. So 1/2 cup cashews.
1/2 cup water. Blend until liquified. If you don't have a high-powered blender, soak the cashews overnight. Set the cashew cream aside.
Now we just need some tomato puree. Sometimes they're called strained tomatoes that come in a big glass bottle. So I'm just gonna use these San Marzano tomatoes that I have. I need about 1/2 of this. I'm just gonna blend this up in a blender to make it nice and smooth.
Blend on medium-high. Saute pan, medium-high heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Saute the garlic and shallot for a minute. Mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Quarter cup vodka. Deglaze the pan and cook out the alcohol for a few minutes. Tomato puree. Stir in the cashew cream until combined. Pasta. Season and stir. When the pasta comes to a boil, it's done. Plate. Basil, olive oil, fresh cracked pepper. You can now make this delicious creamy pasta with absolute confidence.
That is just incredibly velvety and so amazing. That is just so good. So delicious. Remember to check out this recipe in the free ebook along with 4 other amazingly delicious and super easy to make plant-based recipes. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. So good. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.